So I just sent my taxes off. Did you? Tax season is upon us. So let's talk about sending financial information online. First of all, you have to use secure websites. You got to look for that little padlock in the address bar. Second, double check recipients' email addresses. You don't want your W-2s and 1099s going to the wrong inbox, do you? And finally, consider an encrypted email for sending very important and sensitive data. It's literally like sending your info in a virtual armored truck. So using SekurMail privacy feature called SekurSend, it ensures maximum security and peace of mind. SekurMail has end-to-end encryption and robust security features, guaranteeing that your sensitive and important financial data, it remains confidential and protected from the prying eyes both on your end and the recipient's end. Plus, its user-friendly interface makes it so easy to send and receive important documents securely, even if the recipient doesn't use SekurMail. Don't leave your tax information vulnerable. Your data is precious. And now your data is secure with secure private data. Use my promo code PRIVACY and go to secure.com to regain your privacy today.